Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I trust this message finds you in a good state of health, inshallah. I am Dr. Zameer Brey, a health system specialist, and speaking on behalf of a group of senior medical professionals and analysts across South Africa that have come together to provide you with this analysis. At the start of July, South Africa had 150,000 COVID cases, and by the end of this month, we are likely to exceed 500,000 cases. South Africa's infection rates have climbed rapidly and 3 provinces are entering their peaks. We are currently the country with the 5th highest COVID burden globally. There are 7,500 people that have already died from COVID, and there are an additional 17,000 excess deaths recorded, a portion of which are likely to be COVID related. The National Modelling Consortium further estimates that by the end of 2020, some 40,000 South Africans will die of COVID. The health system is taking strain. Our hospitals are filling up and starting to reach capacity levels. Our healthcare professionals are under pressure, and the mental and physical strain is taking its toll on our first-line defenders. This group of experts have done some preliminary analysis on deaths in the Muslim community and noted a higher disproportionate rate of deaths amongst this community. Let me provide you with some statistics. By the 10th of July, 353 Muslims had already died from COVID, accounting for almost 8% of all COVID deaths in South Africa, whereas officially Muslims probably make up less than 2% of the population. We are trying to understand why this pattern exists, and it may be related to a higher prevalence of comorbid diseases like diabetes, and that there may be more elderly people in the Muslim community compared to the general populations. But our social and cultural norms may also be contributing to this. While we have a history of being a tightly knit community, doing many things in congregation, right now, we need to be safe and take the precautions. We are in an unprecedented epidemic, and we appeal to the whole community, not only Muslims, to take these precautions in exercising physical distancing, the wearing of masks, and a few other practical tips that we will provide in the longer video. These suggestions have been developed by medical experts to ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones. We urge you to practice physical distancing during the upcoming Eid celebration. Let's be safe now so we can all be together soon, inshallah. Allah tells us in the Holy Quran in Surah Ma'idah that if anyone saved a life, it would be as though he saved the life of all of humanity. Let's work together to save lives. May Allah keep us all safe and give us the understanding to do our best in this regard. Assalamu alaikum.